Supply and demand or other block strategy is one of the best strategies you need to trade the forex market. In this video, you will learn top secrets about supply and demand that you may not have seen anywhere else. So please watch this video to the end. Why supply and demand strategy is one of the best way of trading the forex market is because it's the law of supply and demand that moves the forex and stock charts. So what you should understand about the forex or stock market is that there are two categorized players or participants in this market. We have the retail or small scale traders like me and you. We are retail or small scale traders because we buy and sell stocks in the forex market in small quantities, usually in hundreds or few thousands of dollars. In fact, our whole trading account balance are usually hundreds or few thousands of dollars. Then we have the big players like the banks, companies, and hedge funds who trade this market with billions of dollars. So the two players or participants in the market are small scale traders, also called retail traders. They buy and sell in small quantity. And then we have the big players, which are the banks and hedge funds and companies like Coca-Cola, Samsung, and the rest that trade this market. They trade with huge capital or huge funds. So it is these big players that controls the market. They are the ones that create these supply and demand zones in the market. So put simply, now what is supply and demand zone? Put simply, supply zones are areas in the market that these big players are selling from. What it simply means is that these big players are patiently waiting at these areas to supply or sell stocks or currencies to the market. While demand zones are those areas or zones in the market that these big players buy from. What it means is that at these zones, the big players wait for price to come to these zones and then they will be buying or demanding for stocks at those zones or areas. That's why they are called demand zones. So for you and I to make good cash from the forex or stock market, we need to be buying at only demand zones and selling at only supply zones, thereby trading the footsteps of these big players in the market. We will use the forex or stock chart to explain where the supply and demand areas are in the market and how to know those areas and also how to trade them. But mind you, supply and demand areas are also known as order blocks. They are also known as what? Order blocks. So that's what we'll discuss in the next video that says top secret in trading the order block strategy, smart money concepts. You will discover more about order blocks and how to make good cash trading them. You will discover how to make good cash trading the supply and demand zone. Now you know what this supply and demand zone are. They are also known as order blocks. Those zones or areas in the market that the big players are buying from or selling from. So we now need to know those areas so that we can follow their footsteps to trade with them. So that we can only be buying when they are buying and only be selling when they are selling. Because if we do that, we'll be making a lot of money. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope the meaning of supply and demand zone in the forex market is now very clear to you. If you still have some questions, please, our Telegram link is in the description. Just contact us anytime. We'll be so glad to answer all your queries. So please subscribe to this channel. Videos will be posted so you learn a lot, free educational content, you understand. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Take care.